Windows and mirrors and mirrors and baby, nothing's clearer. You got me running around like there's so much to do, but maybe that's too much for you.
Got it? That's it.
Dang, that thing is huge. It's super heavy.
That's why this whole tree broke. There's a little... This is heavy, come on.
Okay.
Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Infinite Cup. My name is Robert. I am your host. Today's video is all about how to manifest faster, how to really get what you want in life, how to do it quickly, effortlessly. Make sure you watch to the end of the video because I'm going to teach you how to use this as a technique in your meditation to really restructure that subconscious mind so you can manifest your heart's greatest desires. Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm your host Robert. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the notification bell as well so you do not miss a thing. I make videos about spirituality, health, wellness. It's all here. Check out my podcast show. Check out everything that I do. You guys are going to love it. So, how to manifest faster, how to really get what you want in life. I get this question all the time. Robert, how do you live in Hawaii? How do you do what you do? And it's really just effortless. This is something that doesn't require a lot of thought. It's like when you're really, going downstream with that current rather than paddling upstream. If you ever have that, frequency in your life, you ever feel like things are not going with the current, well, that's the ego winning the game. That's that little self, the small self that just is always trying to rule the world, right? We gotta let go. We gotta learn how to surrender. We gotta really restructure our thoughts. The subconscious mind is controlling the mind, all right? There's three parts of the brain. We have the reptile in the back. That's where all the emotions are. That's where all the radical things are in our brain. We have the middle. This is like the monkey. This is our primal brain. And in the front is that prefrontal cortex, which is our real human self. That's where the magic is. That's really what we want to tap into in order to get to our manifestation. So, first step. Recognize everything is energy. Everything in this universe is energy. Everything you can see with your two physical eyes is temporary. This is the materialistic world. In yoga, we call it Maya. This is the illusion that you think that this is all real, when in reality it's nothing but a dream. So think about that. Think about how you can really shift your consciousness from that primal self into the human self, right? That's what meditation is all about. There's no way around this. So many people come up to me and want some instant fix, just like health, right? No superfood recipe, no amount of kale is going to make you healthy. This is a daily practice. You got to put in the work. You have to do the work in order to achieve these results. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about frequency. I'm talking about vibration. You have to match your frequency, which it's very, tricky if you don't know what you're looking for. So step one is attuning to that particular frequency with gratitude, with commanding, with your affirmations, your speech, okay? I meditate every single day. I use the power of affirmations to restructure my subconscious mind so I can create that life that I want that is always centered in the heart. Remember this, the heart is 95 times greater, more powerful right here, this as a motor than the mind. So many people are projecting reality from their mind, and that's literally what's creating the obstacle, when really you need to project from the heart. If you're doing what you love, it's effortless. It doesn't feel like you're putting any effort into it because you're in that passion, you're in that drive, you're in that determination. So, what are you going to do about this? I'm not sure what you're passionate about. For me, I love nature. I love being in tune with the things that motivate me, that get me excited about life. You need to follow that. If you have to write it down, execute those top 3 things that you love to do every single day. Watch your life transition, because what's happening is you're putting your energy into your heart. You're saying, you know what, little self, small mind, you know what? I'm here for my heart. I'm here to do what I love. And when you do that, you instantly get a shift. The universe is going to help you. Remember this, guys. The universe always gives you what you want. So start creating from your heart. Start creating from that heart-centered consciousness that is available to us. Now, this comes back to environment. You really have the power to change your environment. If you're not happy with how fast your manifestation is occurring, you need to create that change. You need to try something new, right? What you're doing right now is not working. So stop that and try a new meditation. Try a frequency like 410 hertz. Try 532 hertz. Really get your vibration up so you can manifest that thing in your life. Everything is energy. And remember this, you're not gonna get that thing if you're creating obstacles into it. So if you say, I want X, it's all about your speech. I am X, I am abundant, I am grateful, right? All of these things you're constantly projecting into the universe like an antenna. The human body is an antenna. So we are drawing that energy in. This is the law of magnetism. Some people call it the law of attraction. Some people want to call it, how to really get that kundalini going up the spine. This is so important when it comes to manifesting, because again, this is going to come from our heart. This is so powerful. When you're in line with your heart's greatest desires, nothing can stop you. My last tip that I want to give you guys is, if you're really experiencing a block and you're not manifesting in the proper speed that you're looking for, that usually means that it's not for the highest good of all. It's not in the greatest interest for mankind. You need to really get in line with your path, with your passion, with what your gift is that you're providing this universe, and that's when you're going to get that momentum, right? Gandhi is not going to be a race car driver, right? All of these people, Mother Teresa isn't going to go sell the cheeseburgers at McDonald's, right? Think about your job, think about your daily actions that you're doing. Are they in line with your values? Are they in line with the highest good of all? Once you get those values, once you align yourself and attune to that particular frequency, it all changes. It won't stop from there. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, click subscribe below, and I'll check you later. Much love.